helper is making care note bundles for newcomer families. First, she doubled her note stack by adding an equal pile. Then she gave away 6 notes. After both steps, she had 18 notes. How many notes did she have at the start? Pause the video, try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Undo the last step first. The reverse order matters more than the operations themselves. Picture the forward chain. She starts with an unknown number. She doubles it. She gives away 6. She ends at 18. That is the forward story. Now reverse it. To get back to where she was before the last step, undo the giving away. Giving away 6 reverses to receiving 6 back. So 18 plus 6 equals 24. That was her count before the gift. Next, undo the doubling. Doubling reverses to halving, so 24 divided by 2 equals 12. That was her starting number. Let us check by walking forward. Start with 12. Double it. 12 times 2 is 24. Give away 6. 24 minus 6 is 18. That matches the problem. The numbers check out. The key idea is this. When undoing a chain of steps, undo the last step first. Each operation has an inverse. Doubling becomes halving. Giving becomes receiving. The order always flips when you go backward. The answer is 12 notes. 2 operations reversed in order. That is the heart of working backwards on any operation chain. Whether the steps are arithmetic, transfers, or rules, the reverse order rule never changes. Next level adds a third person and a second transfer. The same idea scales up. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.